Hello and welcome to the section 6 of the course, Analyze DNS and HTTP Traffic. Now in this section we are going to take a look at a couple of points. So we are going to analyze DNS and HTTP traffic. Let's start with the video DNS and HTTP Overview. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. So we are going to learn the basics of DNS and HTTP. Now guys, first of all we are learning about DNS. So what is DNS? DNS is Domain Name System, and it uses port number 53. What is the use of DNS? So you can read here, DNS is the system used to resolve, store information about domain names. So for example, if you are opening a website in your browser and the website is like gmail.com, so first of all, the request goes to the DNS, and DNS provides the IP address of the server. And that's how you can open that particular website inside your browser. So it can provide you information about the domain names, for example, IP addresses, mail servers, and other information. History. Now, if we talk about the history, so it was invented in 1982 or 1983. Now, which protocol it supports? So it supports both TCP and UDP, Transmission Control Protocol, and User Datagram Protocol. Typically, DNS uses TCP or UDP as its transport protocol. So the port number is 53, as I already told you. Now you can come down and you can check the display filter. So if you want to filter the traffic, you can simply type DNS inside display filter to filter the DNS traffic inside your network. Capture filter is also available here, port 53. You can use port 53 in your capture filter. So this is the display and capture filter of DNS. Now let's talk about HTTP. So HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. You can see here this is a text-based request response client server protocol. Right, so it is a client server protocol. Right, HTTP client. For example, if your web browser Mozilla performs a HTTP request to the HTTP server Apache, which in return will issue a HTTP response, the HTTP protocol header is text based, where headers are written in text lines. All right, so it is a client server protocol, and you can check the history. So it was initiated at the CERN in Geneva, Switzerland. Protocol dependencies are available here. You can check it. It uses port number 80. So you can see this is a request by the browser, and this is a response from the server. So it is text based, anyone can read it easily. Now if you want to check the display filter, so you can use HTTP inside display filter to sort the HTTP traffic. Shows only the famous 404 page not found responses. So you can type here http.response.core = 404 in display filter to get those packets. Show only file data received over HTTP. So you can also use this display filter. Now if we talk about the capture filter, so capture HTTP traffic, it is going to capture port number 80 traffic. So you can type TCP space port space 80 in your capture filter, and it is going to capture only 80 port number traffic. You can also check the SSL port, which is 443, HTTPS, which is secure. So you can type here TCP space port space 443, and it is going to capture HTTPS or SSL traffic. So these are the display and capture filters available for HTTP.